YouTube, SK Nation, STEFFKICKS family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie STEFFKICKS, and I'm back at it with another video. You good? What's up? Guys, I know you have missed me for quite a while. It's been a minute. I am back like I never left. Brand new set. We are here now. It's time for the content. I really appreciate all the love that I've been getting on IG and everybody asking where the videos are, but I assure you now the wait is well over. Now in today's video, I wanted to do something a little subtle, a little different. If most of you are familiar with the SNKRS app by Nike, you would have seen a lot of other videos and other content such as cartoons, sneaker kick checks, the What You Got series, and as well the newest installment of the GRAIL Tales. And I thought I would do a little something different and do my own GRAIL Tales. Get it. I'm gonna take you guys on a ride back to October 2016. I was notified by a connect of mine that this specific sneaker was on its way out in Canada, and he had an opportunity to get me a pair. So I decided without hesitation to make sure that I messaged him back on time to make sure that I was able to have a chance at least to secure a pair. Fortunate enough for me, it was a Saturday morning, a week after this sneaker was released in the US, but unfortunately, he told me that he hadn't heard back anything from this little shop in an area we call of Toronto, Scarborough. So I show up at my connect's house, ready to pick him up. He's not answering his phone, so I run upstairs to make sure that he's home. I knock on the door twice. He was there. He didn't expect me to be there so quick. We jumped in the car and we headed down. And of course, when we got there, it was the longest line we had ever seen in the history of man. The line was as long as Yonge Street, I kid you not. But nonetheless, he had a few connections, got us a little closer in the line, and I was able to secure myself a pair of the Shattered Backboard 2.0 Jordan 1. This sneaker is a sneaker that a lot of people in the sneaker world have been dying to get their hands on. The leather on this sneaker is just super premium. They say that these Shattered Backboards are the best quality that Jordan 1s have ever seen. And I agree. My Grail Tale, the Shattered Backboard 2.0, released on October 15th, 2016. Now, on top of our Grail Tale today, guys, I actually have an unboxing of some apparel that was sent out to me by a company called Blessed. They sent me out this big package. Let's open it and see what's inside. Give me 1 second. Packaging is A1. Always keep your receipt information. So in the box, I get a letter. We love what you do for the YouTube community. Keep doing what you do. And as always, stay blessed and stay safe. Shout out to the Blessed team. Thank you. I'm gonna put this box down. So the first item we got is a Blessed hat. And this is the design on the front. It says Blessed with the $2 signs. Not really my style, but maybe we'll do a giveaway at some point. We'll see. The next item we have is a hoodie. Oh my gosh, it's folded so nicely. You guys gotta teach me your folding technique because this is amazing. It's got the Blessed tag on the front there. Off top, quality is A1. There's no question. The quality is tough. So on the front here, it says Blessed with the dollar signs again. The quality is absolutely amazing. It's such a thick material. I'm definitely gonna wear this come winter time. Thank you guys. The next item is a white t-shirt with the Blessed logo on the front. It also does say Blessed at the bottom. Not sure I want to open it up just yet. The logo is really, really cool. Thank you guys so much for sending this out. Much love. STEFFKICKS family, SK Nation, YouTube. I really, really appreciate you guys tuning in today and hearing all about my grail tale for the Shattered Backboard 2.0s, as well as unboxing the merch that the Blessed team has sent out to me. The hoodie fits real nice. I'm really feeling this gear. Once again, thank you guys out there at the Blessed team for taking care of your boy. I salute you. Also, guys, please don't forget to follow the Blessed brand over at IG. It is BLSSD NYC. Make sure you check out their website as well as their IG. Place an order when you can. They've got some really good quality apparel on there that we can all enjoy. Now that we're back in full effect, guys, I encourage everybody, follow me on IG as well as Twitter at STEFFKICKS. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. When you guys like the content and hit the like button, that's telling YouTube that you're enjoying our content. I really, really appreciate all the support as we continue the journey to 4K subs. Thank you guys again so much. And with all of that said, it's your boy STEFFKICKS, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. YURRRRRR!